So if you got number 2 wrong, make sure that you watch the whole video. If you didn't get number 2 wrong, then you need to go back to the other 3 videos and make sure you're only watching the videos of the numbers you got wrong. So here's number 2. Number 2 reads, the ratio of the number of boys to the number of girls in a choir is 5 to 4. There are 60 girls in the choir. How many boys are in the choir? So what they're comparing is the number of boys, the number of girls. So I'm going to go ahead and put boys, girls. And then they're telling us it's 5 to 4. So you're going to go based on how it's corresponding. So it's 5 to 4. And then they're telling you that it's 60 girls. So my scale factor here is 4 times what will give me 60. So in order to get that, you do 60 divided by 4, which is 1, 2, bring down to 0, that's 5, so that's 20, remainder 0. So that means my scale factor is times 15. So that is not my answer, so what I need to do is multiply 5 times 15. So the way I multiply, it's 15 times 5. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 times 1 is 5 plus 2 is 7. So there are 75 boys in the choir. So make sure that you understand this and make sure you're using ratio tables to solve your problems in order to get them correctly and see the relationship between the numbers.